Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to stop Google from saving activity. So to start, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com and sign in to the Google account you want to manage. Or you can open your Google Chrome and sign in to your Google account, then click your profile in the top right, then select Manage your Google account. Now from the left menu or left side, select Data and Privacy. Now in here, go to Personalization and Activity and select My Activity. Next, so in here, click Web and App Activity. So once you select Web and App Activity, select Turn Off. Then choose Turn Off to stop future activity from being saved. Or you can select Turn Off and Delete Activity to stop tracking and remove previously saved activity. So follow the prompts to confirm your choice. And that's it. You can go back to the last page. Then in here, you can select Location History or YouTube History, then turn it off to stop Google from saving videos you watch and searches you make on YouTube. If you want to turn off your location history, you can do that. So you can turn it off to stop Google from saving places you've been. You can also enable auto delete. So if you prefer Google to keep your activity only for a limited time, you can choose auto delete by scrolling down and select auto delete and select a retention period such as 3 months, 18, or 36 months. And that's it. Thank you for watching.